Hey friends, this is Tiffany from don'tjustfly.com. I am staying in Myrtle Beach with my family for the weekend, and we are staying at a condo through Condo World. I wanted to give you a tour of this place because it's so awesome. You just have to see how fun this would be to stay here with your family sometime soon. So when you walk into the condo, right here's the hallway, and to the left, immediately here, we've got a 2-bed bedroom with a TV. And this room leads right into a joining little bathroom here. We've got the toilet and the sink. And then over here, you've got the full shower. And then it leads right into another bedroom. This would be great for a parent with kids. So this looks like a king size bed, I believe. And then let's look over this way. So then this comes back out into the hallway. We came in just from right over there. And then on this side of the hallway is another bedroom with 2 full-size beds and a closet and another TV in here. And then back to the hallway, you've got this cute entryway. And then there's a shared bathroom here with another full-size shower and a single sink. And then over here, we head into the kitchen area where you've got a dishwasher, the sink, coffee pot, oven, microwave, toaster, the refrigerator. And then over in here, all the dishes and things that you'd need for your vacation. And then over here, right looking from the kitchen, we've got a dining area and the living room. And then over behind those doors is a washer and dryer. Washer and dryer. So you can do some towels or swimsuit laundry while you're on vacation. Make sure everything's clean. And then we've got the dining area here. Table sits 6 people. And there's another 3 chairs at the breakfast nook. There's another good look at the kitchen area. Back down the hallway where we just came from. Then over here, we have the seating area with another TV and this amazing balcony view right on the ocean. So we'll go out and look at the balcony in just a second. So here's another look at the living room. Oh, isn't that beautiful? All right, and then take right over here, the last room of this 4-bedroom condo is this amazing master bedroom. Full-size, king-size bed. And in this bedroom, you have access to the balcony overlooking the beach. And I'm pretty sure there's a TV behind there. We can take a look. And then this is master closet. And then in here is the master bathroom. Let's turn the lights on. So his and her sinks, big mirror, glass surround shower, and a huge whirlpool tub. But let's be honest, the best part of this room is this amazing view for your vacation. So what did you guys think of the condo? It's beautiful, right? I loved all those bedrooms and how spacious it is, and being able to have your own kitchen on vacation with the kids is so wonderful because you can just make a few meals or even just breakfast to save a little money on your trip instead of eating out the whole week. Plus, with all those bathrooms and all this room to spread around, it's just so much more comfortable than a small hotel room would be. But all of that is great. The best part is, just wait. One of these condos, all you have to do, open up your door, and then boom, this is your view for the week, you guys. How gorgeous is this? This could be your view. Lovely North Myrtle Beach.